Welcome to the Halo Wars tutorial. It will teach you the basic commands and controls used to play Halo Wars. Let's start with controlling the camera so you can find your way around the map. See if you can move the camera to the 3 flares that the blue objective arrow points to. Great. Now let's learn how to select your units. You will use what you learned about controlling the camera to center the crosshair in the middle of the screen over what you want to select. Perfect. Now you have a unit selected and you can see the unit type at the bottom of the screen. Let's issue a move order to the next smoke flare you see. Notice that as your units move to new places on the map, the dark or fogged over areas get revealed. Good. Just keep following the blue objective arrow. Awesome. Halo Wars is a game about controlling armies composed of different types of units. You now have more units to control. Select them all.
All units.
Good. Now using what you've learned to move one unit, let's move all of these units.
Moving. Roger, moving. Roger that.
Excellent. We need to get through that Covenant shield. Let's order our army to attack the power source.
Get some!
The shield is down. Follow the blue objective arrow and practice attacking some other targets. Remember, however, that some enemy targets in Halo Wars can fight back.
Moving up, moving! Moving out, on the way. Roger that, covering fire!
Play hard, die young! Good!
Another kill!
We're on! Hostiles!
Keep following the blue objective arrow to the last target.
Roger, moving. Moving out. Yes, sir. On the way. Roger that. We're going. Roger, moving. Yes, sir. Moving out. We're going. On the way.
All units.
Roger, moving.
These last targets seem much stronger. Luckily, some units in Halo Wars have special abilities.
Make them bleed. Grenade out. Grenade on my mark.
Excellent. This ends the basic controls tutorial for Halo Wars. For more advanced controls, try playing the advanced tutorial.
Captain's Report, February 4th, 2531. 5 years. 5 long years. That's how long it took us to get Harvest back.
Go, go, go! Move on!
first it was going well. Then setback after setback. Loss after loss. Made what was going to be a quick and decisive win into 5 years of hell. Of course, that's all Harvest is today. It's hell down there. But now it's ours again. Serena, status.
Standard orbit achieved. All systems normal.
Prep for pod launches, bring weapon systems online.
Expecting trouble, Captain?
Harvest may be ours again, but I don't think the Covenant appreciate that yet. Sergeant Forge, report.
Definitely plenty of bad guys down here, Captain. And they found something in the ice.
Damn it. That complicates our mission. Anders, what have you got?
Captain, scans of the northern polar regions show some interesting Covenant activity on the surface. There's some kind of structure down there.
What do you think they're looking for?
That's what we're here to find out. We're to bring Alpha Base up to operational status and take control of that site.
I'll get my equipment ready, Captain.
Lady, there's no way you're coming down here on the first bird.
Sergeant Forge, pull back to Alpha Base. I'm sending you some backup.
Roger that. Forge out.
So, nothing too difficult then?
It might be the key to this whole war, Serena. It's worth the risk.
Captain, Alpha is toast. Nothing for me to pull back to. Suggest you hold that backup for now.
We need to turn that around, Sergeant. Serena, what's our status?
Sir, we've got a lot of troops retreating from Alpha Base. If Sergeant Forge can regroup them, our numbers may be sufficient to retake the base.
Roger that. We'll round up any and all survivors and get Alpha back.
All units.
Rolling. Let's go. Moving out. We got friendlies up ahead. Let's go. I'm going. I'll get them. I'm going in. We're pinned down over here. Ramming. You got it. Smash them. You boys from Alpha? I'm going. We were the first out, sir. Rolling out. Fall in behind me! We're taking Alpha back. On the move. Let's roll. Moving out. Let's roll. On the move. Tango, 1-4. You need to get us out of here. On the target.
All units.
On the target. You bet. I'm on it. Form up and follow me.
All units. All units.
On the move. Let's roll. Moving out. Rolling. On the way. Let's ride. On the way.
units.
Let's ride. Rolling. On the move. On the way. Let's go. Rolling out. Moving out. This is Tango 3-3. We're under heavy fire. That turret is chewing us up. Don't worry. Cavalry's here. Follow us, Marines. We'll get you through. Let's go.
All units.
Let's ride. Let's roll. On the way. Rolling out. I'm going.
Well, look at that. They're trying to keep us out of our own base.
Let's get it.
All units.
On the move. Warthogs can't get through, but foot soldiers can. Get this thing down and we'll come a-running.
All units.
Target the power source. That thing is too strong. Use grenades. Fire in the hole. Barriers down. Let's do this, gentlemen. Open fire.
All units.
Rolling out.
Air support en route, sir. They'll take out the armor. The rest is yours.
Running them over. Bombs away. You got it. Short sword inbound. We got crust bits on the grill. I'll get them. Rolling out. Let's move. On the move. You bet. Rolling. Rolling out. I'll get them. Attacking.
This ain't gonna be pretty.
Let's hit them. Running them over.
Safety's off.
I'll do it.
All units.
Moving in. Party started.
Well, now that was the most fun I've had all week. Spirit of Fire, this is Forge. Area clear. Situation normal. Orders?
Alpha base is ours again. Sergeant Forge, you may want to scout the area.
Let's just take one last look-see.
The Hierarchs grow impatient. We can delay no longer. What if the infection defiles the relic? I care not for your little life. Open the relic.
Open sesame.
What made you choose my observation deck as your lab, Professor?
I like the view. It adds perspective to my work.
Forge doesn't think it's safe for you to go down there yet. He's quite insistent.
I can be quite insistent too, Captain. I can take care of myself.
Any idea what it is we've got down there?
It's all theories right now, and I'll know a lot more once I get down there.
I'm approving the mission, but the slightest sign of danger and I'm pulling you out. Is that understood?
Understood, Captain.
Hierarch, the humans are closing and will soon be upon us.
No matter. The information you have gathered here is most appetizing. However, we must protect what we have learned here. Set the charges and destroy this place.
Destroy this holy relic, surely you jest.
The journey requires sacrifice. Set the charges. Return to us. Our patience is not infinite.
It will be done.
Serena, we need to re-establish Alpha Base before we can proceed with the mission.
Captain, the base power system is offline and a lockdown protocol is in effect. If we rebuild, the lockdown will end and the doors will open. Projection for new base location ready.
Station complete.
The base is up and running again. We need supply pads built so I can send down materials.
Supply pad.
The command center is online, but it can't house Marines. We'll need a barracks to call in the troops.
Barracks complete.
We need to establish a larger military presence on the ground.
Marines on the ground, sir. Marines ready, sir. Marines reporting for duty. Marines, hoorah! Moving. Marines, good to go.
Keep constructing buildings and upgrading them where you can. The lockdown is lifted and the front gate is opening. I've highlighted the area where Sergeant Forge found the structure.
Reactor complete. Supply pad complete. All units.
Rolling, rolling.
Move it!
New blood. Research.
Flamethrower ready, sir.
All units.
Flamethrower.
All units.
Rolling. Rolling, rolling.
All units.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. 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 Flamethrower, good to go. Rolling. Rolling. Flamethrower on the ground.
Those eyes peeled.
All units.
Fueled and ready. Rolling, 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 rolling.
All units.
Rolling. Rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling, attacking.
I'm picking up lots of Covenant chatter around your position. Looks like they are setting up defenses.
Rolling.
Down. Don't even try to stop it.
Take cover in those down pelicans. Move.
Another grunt here.
Rolling.
You like fire? I think we burned some shore leave.
Rolling.
Stay frosty.
Attacking.
Get it? Frosty. Coordinating across the land.
Rolling. Attacking.
I got the target. Moving in. Nozzles primed and ready.
Rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Well, well, looky here. The Covenant built themselves a little base.
Our primary mission here is to reach that structure. Destroying that base is a secondary objective.
Eyes on the
Attacking.
prize.
Attacking. Attacking. Smash them. Attacking. 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 Rolling. Attacking. Attacking. Attacking.
On that target.
Rolling. Rolling.
We
Rolling.
get warthogs.
Attacking.
Target ahead. Fuel burner. Every target going down.
Attacking. Attacking.
Got it. Moving to eliminate target. Need to check my nozzles.
Attacking.
Training.
Attacking.
We'll take care of it. No problem. Yeah, get some. Man down. Man down. Ready to lay down some heat. Take that, buddy. Get moving.
Attacking. Attacking.
We'll take care of it.
Let's
no
head up.
problem.
Rolling. 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 Attacking. Attacking.
Got the target. Moving in. Yes! Remember your training.
If the Covenant detonate those explosives, our mission here is over. Get to the detonator.
Ramming. Grenade. Do it. Attacking. Attacking! Rolling! Attacking! 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 Smash him! Smash him! Knock him down!
Good work. Prepare for new orders.
Alpha Base, this is Bravo 29, heavy inbound. I've got the professor aboard.
Training!